Hello, everyone, and welcome to another Terra training module. I'm Frank Ambrosio, a bioinformatics scientist with Theogen Genomics, and in this video, we'll be going over the process of deleting a column from a Terra data table and replacing it with a new column if need be. So many of our labs still have a column that has a capital A authors as the column header, and that's our fault. That was included improperly in one of the metadata formatters initially, and we have since corrected that issue on our end. But in order to help some of the labs that still have a capital A in their Terra data table, here's the process to replace that with a lowercase a. So first navigate to your Terra data table, select just the authors column, and select copy page to clipboard. Then you can open up an Excel spreadsheet where you can paste that information. If it parses the authors into a bunch of different columns, what you can do is go down to the paste options and use the text import wizard, use delimited, and only select tabs as the only delimiter in this example. Then select next, finish, and it will parse your data correctly. Then you can go up here and change this to a lowercase a. And then we are going to go back to our Terra data table and we're going to delete the capital A authors, because if you have two columns in a Terra data table and they have the same column header except one is capitalized, it will only show one of those columns. So let's delete this one. And here you see there's an extra step. You have to type out the words delete column. It helps prevent any accidental deletion of columns. And now you can see that column has been removed. We can go back to our data, and we can use the text import function in Terra to simply paste that data into our spreadsheet. And now we should be able to see the lowercase a authors column. So once again, this is Frank Ambrosio with Theogen Genomics. If you have any other questions about particular topics, feel free to submit them to our support email. That is support@terrapublichealth, all one word, .zendesk.com. And thank you very much for watching this video. We hope it helps. And see you again soon.